Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and figure out this mini split. It's displaying the Celsius temperature. We're going to go ahead and switch it to the Fahrenheit. Let's go ahead and figure it out. Alright guys, we went ahead and installed this mini split, and once we installed it, turned it on, it displayed the temperature in Celsius, and we're here in California. We like our temperature in Fahrenheit. So I was messing around with the remote, trying to figure it out, and we went ahead and figured it out for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so right here on the remote it's displaying 25 Celsius temperature, so it's matching with the unit. So we're going to go ahead and turn off the unit. And then once the unit is off, on the remote, we're going to go ahead and hold the mode button and the volume down button at the same time. And you see it switched to Fahrenheit. So from there, on the unit, it should switch also. Turn it on. There we go, guys. It switched from Celsius to Fahrenheit. If you want to switch it back from Fahrenheit to Celsius, just go ahead and repeat the process. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day. Let go and let God, and I ain't been the same ever since. A whole lot's changed since I got my mind right. No looking back, my past is in hindsight. Just on me, I'm brand new. Fresh out the box, yeah, I'm brand new. Everything about me is brand new, brand new. Fresh out the box, yeah, I'm brand new.